The adoption rate for OLED monitors for the use of gaming has been great, but it's always felt at times a step behind the outright performance specifications offered from LCD panels. The tide may just be turning with the introduction of Samsung's Odyssey OLED gaming monitors, the G6 and G8. Hi, Ben from SamMobile. If you enjoy new and exclusive videos like this, then be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any new videos on YouTube with SamMobile TV. Here's our first early look at Samsung's new Odyssey OLED gaming monitors here at CES 2024 in Las Vegas. Starting with the Odyssey G8. What makes this monitor such a game changer for PC and console gamers alike? This is Samsung Electronics' first flat panel 32-inch OLED gaming monitor with a 4K UHD resolution, a crazy 240Hz high refresh rate, and it's using a 16:9 aspect ratio. This is using Samsung Display's new generation QD-OLED display that offers the ability to drive such a high resolution and high refresh rate at the same time. And for an OLED panel, this is a game changer and brings the immersiveness offered by OLED with true blacks, accurate vibrant colors, and infinite contrast. Ports wise, we've been told there will be two HDMI 2.1 ports with a USB hub and DisplayPort 1.4. What this basically means is that Display Stream Compression DSC is being used here to drive 4K and 240Hz at the same time, as usually this will be limited to 4K 120 or 144Hz at max without it. Since DisplayPort 2.1 is not present here. The combination of QD-OLED, 4K, 240Hz refresh rate, and a flat 32-inch large panel ushers in the end game of the ultimate gaming experience yet. And it's something we cannot wait to see in full action, considering all the new extra features on hand, like multi-control for seamless transfer of contents between Samsung devices, Samsung SmartThings Hub, and more. For esports gamers and those who do not need 4K resolution for gaming and much more value a super high refresh rate gaming experience, then the Odyssey G6 answers the call, backed with the power of QD-OLED. This is supporting a 1440p QHD resolution with a crazy 360Hz high refresh rate and a 16:9 27-inch flat display. This has the same ports arrangement with two HDMI 2.1 ports, a USB hub, and DisplayPort 1.4. A part of me hopes Samsung will have a 4K option in this 27-inch form factor eventually, but away from that, I have to say this is mighty impressive considering not so long ago, these were specs and performance you would only get from an LCD panel, and here we are, it's now an OLED. A quick honorable mention for Samsung's super ultra-wide 32:9 aspect ratio Odyssey G9 OLED gaming monitor. Now by the looks of it, the core functions and features of this monitor are pretty much the same, with a 49-inch dual QHD resolution and also 240Hz high refresh rate. All three monitors have now been given Samsung's OLED glare-free treatment for the finish of the panel to minimize glare while still giving you the viewing experience benefits offered by OLED, the impressive gray-to-gray response time of 0.03 milliseconds, and support for AMD's FreeSync Pro adaptive sync technology. What's your initial thoughts on Samsung's new Odyssey OLED gaming monitors for 2024? Let us know in the comment section below. For the latest news in the world of Samsung Daily, be sure to visit us at SamMobile.com. And for the latest videos on YouTube with SamMobile TV, be sure to subscribe and turn on notifications. We will see you next time.